In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana tags effectively to organize and streamline your workflow. Tags in Asana are a fantastic tool to help categorize and track tasks more efficiently, making it easier to locate, prioritize, and report on your project work. Let's dive right in and start by logging into Asana. First, you'll need to open Asana in your preferred web browser or app. Once there, sign into your account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the project in which you want to apply tags. You can do this by clicking on the project from your home screen or using the search feature if necessary. Once you're in the project, you'll need to select a task to apply the tags. You can choose an existing task or create a new one by clicking on the plus add task button found within your project's interface. After selecting or creating your task, your next step is to locate the tags section within the task pane. You'll usually find this section below the task description or near other task details such as the assignee or due date. Once you find this section, it's time to add your desired tags. Simply click on the Add Tag button and then type the name of an existing tag. If a tag doesn't already exist that suits your needs, you can create a new one by typing a unique name and hitting Enter. Remember, Asana allows you to assign more than one tag to a task. This is incredibly useful for tracking multiple attributes of the task. For instance, you could add tags like high priority, marketing, or the name of a client to help you and your team prioritize and categorize work more efficiently. To make the most of tags, you can filter your tasks by tags. Simply head to your project or use the search bar and use the filter function to display all tasks associated with a specific tag. This feature is invaluable for tracking progress, prioritizing work, and even generating reports when needed. It helps you have a clear overview of your workload and focus on what truly matters. Now let's talk about renaming or removing tags. If you find that a tag requires a name change or is no longer relevant, click on the tag name. Here, you have options to either rename it or remove it altogether. Maintaining consistency in tag naming across your projects is crucial for clarity and smooth collaboration. There are some best practices you should consider when using tags. Always aim to keep your tags short, yet descriptive. It's best to avoid too many overlapping tags that could cause confusion. Instead, focus on tags that enhance your project tracking capabilities. Finally, consider integrating your tags with other Asana features like sections, custom fields, and priority settings to maximize your project management efficiency. By following these steps and tips, you'll efficiently harness the power of Asana tags to keep your projects organized and running smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy tags.